Good morning, children. So today's chapter is the Jody's fawn. Okay, so the Jody allowed his thought to drift back to fawn. Fawn is this one. Okay, this is called a fawn. Drift back means to go back to. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had held it in his dreams in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside. Penny lay at rest. So his father's name is Penny. Okay, his eyes were open and clear, but the pupils were still dark and dilated. Dilated means enlarged. Jody said, "How are you feeling, Pa?" "Just fine, son. All that has gone thriving elsewhere." "But wasn't it a close shave?" "A close shave means a narrow escape." "I agree." Penny said, "I am proud of you, boy, the way you kept your head and did what was needed." Kept your head means stayed calm in difficult situation. So Penny is proud of his son, okay, and because he is taking care of his father, okay, and he is proud of his son. Pa means Papa, okay. Pa, yes, son. Pa, do you recollect the doe and the fawn? So the child is trying to remember the fawn and the doe, okay. Excuse me. "I can never forget them. The poor doe saved me, that's certain." So the doe had saved the papa, okay. "Pa, the fawn may be out there yet. It might be hungry and very scared." "I suppose so." So the fawn may be out there in the forest and might be alone because it's a small child, okay. It's a deer kind, okay. "So Pa, I'm a big boy now and don't need to drink milk. Why don't I go and see if I can find the fawn and bring it here and raise it?" Penny lay quiet, staring at the ceiling. "Boy, you have got me hemmed in. It won't take much to raise it, Pa. It will soon start eating leaves and acorns. You are smarter than boys of your age." So hemmed means caught in situation where one cannot say no. So the boy is telling, "Pa, now I'm grown up, I don't have to drink milk. Can the fawn, I can bring the home for I can bring fawn home, okay." And Pa is in situation that he cannot say no to the boy, okay, because now he's a mature, okay. He's telling that you are growing mature than your age, okay, like than other boys. "Can I ride back with Millville and see if I can find it?" So this is the man Millville, okay. So he's asking permission from his father to go with Millville so that to find the fawn. "Tell your ma I said you can go." So he's telling that, tell your mother that I have given you the permission to go. Sidewalks means walk back quietly, trying not to be noticed. He slided back to the table and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. He said, "Ma, Pa says I can bring back the fawn." She held the coffee pot in the midair. "What fawn?" "The fawn belonging to the doe. We killed. We used the doe's liver to draw out poison and save Pa." So the mother is telling the fawn belong to the doe, and doe we have already killed to pray to take the poison out and give it to Pa to save the Pa, okay. Pa is sick. She gasps, "Well, for pity's sake, Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve." So now the boy is saying, Pa is telling that fawn may be alone, and we should not leave alone that fawn, okay, might be hungry. "Pa, it would be ungrateful to leave it starved," Doc Wilson said. "That's right, Ma. Nothing in the world comes quite free." The boy is right and his daddy's right. So Doc Wilson is also agreeing with the boy. Millville said, "He can ride back with me. I'll help him find it." So Millville will help now. She set down the pot helplessly. "Well, if you will give it milk, we've got nothing else to feed it." Millville said, "Come on, boy, we have got to get riding." Ma Buxter asked anxiously, "You will not be gone long." Jody said, "I'll be back before dinner for sure." So Jody is telling, Miss Ma Buxter is telling that you will be gone, finding it will be night. Then the boy is telling, "No, I will come back for dinner." Millville mounted his horse and pulled. See in the picture, the boy and the Millville. So Millville mounted his horse and pulled Jody up behind him. He said to Millville, "Do you think the fawn's still there? Will you help me find him?" So the boy is telling, "Will you find Millville? Will you help me to find it?" So we will find him. He's alive. How you know he is? The spot where all the line the doe found passed. The spot where everywhere. So till here I will be teaching. Okay, page 89. So the Meanville is saying that we will find him because he has a spot where lines. Okay, there is everywhere. We will be finding him easily.